If your SEO workflow feels scattered across too many tabs, tools, and reports, Semrush is built to bring that chaos into one organized place.
Welcome to Best Reviews.
Today, we're taking a close look at Semrush, an all-in-one digital marketing suite for search rankings, keyword research, content planning, competitor analysis, PPC, social media, and AI visibility tracking. In this video, we'll look at what it feels like to use, the features that matter most, how pricing works, what kind of support you can expect, and where the platform may still feel demanding. And if you want the latest offers or plan details, make sure to check our full written review on bestreviews.net. Semrush is built like a central command center for online marketing. Once you get into the dashboard, you're looking at site health, traffic data, keyword performance, backlink insights, audits, and AI visibility from one place. That breadth is one of the first things you notice. There is a lot here, which can make the platform feel a little intimidating at first, especially if you are new to SEO or digital marketing. Still, the layout gives you a practical starting point. You can switch between views by country and device, which helps if you are tracking performance across different markets or trying to understand how search visibility changes. A typical early workflow starts with checking site health through the dashboard, then moving into tools like site audit, position tracking, or keyword research, depending on what you're trying to improve. When we use the site audit tool, it scanned the domain and built a report around crawled pages, issues, JavaScript impact, and other key metrics. Problems are grouped into errors, warnings, and notices, which makes it easier to prioritize what to fix first. That practical structure continues across the platform. Instead of just surfacing raw numbers, Semrush usually gives you context you can actually work from, whether that means spotting technical SEO issues, comparing competitors, or planning content around search demand. Semrush works best when you need more than one kind of marketing tool. It combines keyword research, site auditing, backlink analysis, content planning, paid search insights, social media tools, and competitor research in one platform. Keyword research is still one of its strongest areas. Keyword Overview helps you size up terms quickly, while Keyword Magic Tool, Keyword Gap, and Keyword Manager make it easier to find opportunities and keep track of the terms that matter. Position tracking is another big plus. Semrush monitors visibility across Google, Bing, Baidu, ChatGPT Search, Perplexity, and Google AI Mode. This makes Semrush useful if you care about both traditional rankings and newer AI-driven search experiences. That broader search coverage aligns well with the AI Visibility Toolkit, which for us is one of Semrush's best features. It helps you review how your brand shows up in AI search results, spot gaps, and compare your presence against competitors. Considering the major impact of AI search on businesses and brands' online exposure, this stands out as one of Semrush's best features. For technical SEO, Site Audit turns a lot of complexity into something easier to act on. It groups issues into clear categories and explains how to fix them instead of just surfacing a long list of problems. Semrush is also strong for backlinks. You can review referring domains, link health, and toxicity scores. The platform can even help with disavowing backlinks and suggesting outreach opportunities. On top of that, Semrush supports content planning, ad research, and social media scheduling. The platform also lets you connect with tools like Google Analytics, Search Console, Looker Studio, HubSpot, and Zapier. The main drawback is that some extras come as add-ons, and the depth of the platform can still feel like a lot if you are just getting started. Semrush pricing takes a little time to unpack because the base subscription is only part of the story. Your total cost depends on the plan you choose, whether you pay annually, how many users you need, and whether you add extra toolkits. The main paid plans start at $117.33 per month on annual billing, and the core tiers are Pro, Guru, and Business. Higher plans raise limits and unlock additional features, including things like content marketing tools, keyword cannibalization analysis, and API access. There is also a limited free version, which can be useful for light testing. But if you want a better sense of the full platform, the 7-day free trial is the more practical way to evaluate what Semrush can actually do. Paid plans also come with a 7-day money-back guarantee, giving you an extra safety net after signing up. And if you choose annual billing, the monthly rate drops by 17% compared with paying month to month. One thing to keep in mind is that each plan includes just one user. If you are working with a team, extra seats cost more, and that can make Semrush feel expensive fairly quickly. Be sure to check up-to-date prices and special offers in our review on bestreviews.net. Because Semrush covers much ground, support and learning resources matter. Fortunately, there is plenty to work with. The platform offers a large knowledge base, a blog, video tutorials, webinars, and Semrush Academy, where users can take free courses on SEO, PPC, and related topics. If you need direct help, Semrush also provides regional phone lines, including options for the US and Spain, along with an AI chat assistant for quick questions. In our experience, the chat was helpful for both technical and more basic questions, which makes it a useful first stop if you do not want to dig through help articles. And if you want a more guided introduction, you can also book a demo with the Semrush expert. After all is said and done, Semrush stands out as one of the strongest all-in-one platforms for SEO, content research, and digital marketing. Its keyword tools are especially useful for finding new opportunities and understanding what your audience is actually searching for. One of the best features is the AI visibility tool, which gives brands a clear way to track how they appear in AI-driven search results and identify gaps to improve. It also brings link building, competitor tracking, social media tools, paid search research, and content optimization into a single platform, giving teams a wide range without stitching together multiple services. On the flip side, with paid add-ons and extra fees for each additional user, Semrush can get expensive, and if you are new to SEO platforms, the learning curve may also feel steep at first. Semrush is best for solo marketers and small teams looking for a broad digital marketing toolkit with serious SEO depth. If you want to know more about Semrush, check out our full written review at bestreviews.net. See you next time.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you will be notified of future videos. See you next time!